Hey, good afternoon, everyone. On my screen are the results of a 0DTE SPX Iron Condor trade I did on September 6th of 2022. I entered the trade at around 2:19 p.m. Central Time. I sold the Iron Condor for 50 cents, a 50-cent credit per contract. Since each contract is for 100 shares, uh, I received a $50 credit. So the trade is over here for the actual strike prices. You'll see there's as you know, on an Iron Condor, there's a put credit and a call credit spread that you initiate. And in this case, the total came out to a 50-cent credit. And that's fairly late in the day. There's less, there's approximately 40 minutes left to close before the market closes. And I was still able to get a $50 credit. So all I had to do is have SPX stay within these ranges for a 40-minute time period to receive the $50. For that, the total margin that the brokerage held, this was a 5 wide Iron Condor, so there's $500 of maximum risk, less the $50 that we took in credit. So the brokerage held $450 as margin for the duration of the trade. And that was my maximum risk, would be $500 wide leg minus the $50 credit I had. Now, we'd never let it get to that point, obviously. We'd stop out well before that. But that was when I put the trade on the maximum risk. I had to somewhere to be that day. And so what I did is about a half hour into the trade, it was green, solidly green. I put an order to close at 15 cents since I had to get somewhere. And that order filled 47 minutes later, which resulted in a $35 profit on the trade. I received 50 initially. It cost me $15 to close the transaction. So I received a net of $35 profit for about a 47-minute trade, which I think is pretty good. I will be posting more of these on the channel, so watch for those on a daily basis during during the 5 days of the week that the market's opened. I will sometimes not trade depending on what's been happening lately. The market has been somewhat volatile, so I haven't been doing a lot of the trades, but I decided now it seems things are calming down a little bit to get back into them. And I will do some more commentary and education on the 0DTE trading method as well on the channel. So watch for those. Subscribe so you're notified when I do post these. It's a great way to trade, very little risk the way that I've set this up. And as you can see, for only 47 minutes of exposure, cleared $35 profit per contract on a $450 margin requirement. So this is Chris from definedriskinvesting.com. Look forward to seeing you again real soon. Thanks again.